Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna do some market analysis. I also have some very important news for all the Binance users. Maybe we found why countries are trying to ban Binance and what you need to do in order to be safe. Also, I found a gem or a very big potential project. It's an NFT gaming and right now it's the public sale. It's before listing on Pancake or any other exchange, so potential gains are high, and I'm going to show you how to buy one because it's very simple and it's open for everyone and you can buy it for a small amount of money. So stay with me. Before we start the usual, please use a VPN. If you want to get in contact with me, Discord or Twitter, everything is in the description. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like the content, obviously, and to comment something, anything. You help me triggering the YouTube algorithm. Therefore, my videos will reach more and more people and I will be very, very grateful for that. Now we are here at the Bitcoin price chart and as you can see, we are back on the 47,000s, but I do see a bit of a disturbing fact, and I don't want to push you into panic selling. I don't think that we need to panic, but something is very not obvious but interesting or annoying, I don't know. So if I go here to the Bitcoin price chart where I don't have any drawings, any artistic analysis, for me there is a very interesting similarity. And I have the feeling that this movement, this up, down, up and small bounces are very similar to this movement. And yes, if we go back to the previous chart, we are in a rising wedge, which is a bearish signal. Now this doesn't mean that everything will fall apart and this is the end of the bull market. As I said, I still believe that in September, October, things will restart if they didn't restart until now. I don't want to panic or to make you panicking, but it is always important to see things objectively and to be rational, and this is also a possibility. So let's keep an eye on them. And the reason I'm telling you this, that if you are in a profit in an altcoin which you don't want to hold for 1, 2, 3 years, then it is important to take profit, because in crypto anytime things can fall apart and profits can be rectified, let's say. Therefore, take profit all the time when you are in a profit and make sure that you protect your capital, at least the capital which you entered with, so you wouldn't end up in a minus. Elrond is doing pretty nicely. It's back to the 150s. Now, as you can see on this chart, it tried to break through a couple of times. We went through, came back. This was due to the Bitcoin fall, but it really seems that the price is strong and wants to go for the all-time high. Let's not forget that Cardano, Solana, they are the big competitors, or they are in the same league as Elrond. They already broke their all-time highs, but usually, as I saw before, Elrond is lacking a bit behind, the price. I do expect Elrond to shoot out to the all-time high, maybe more, and as I commented yesterday on the YouTube channel on yesterday's video, I do expect Elrond to reach the 500, 1000 range until the end of the year. Now obviously this is not a guarantee, this is only speculation from my side. Nevertheless, I think the project is good, as you know, because I told you several times. Now, what is happening with Binance? Binance, as you know, let's say it's kicked in the teeth from every country or many countries. They want to ban or limit Binance. Banks are banning transactions to Binance, and it turns out, I didn't know, to be honest, that Binance's users, most of them or many of them, don't have KYC. KYC is Know Your Client. It's the simple verification where you upload your ID. Now, if you are a Binance user, and I know that many of you are, I recommend you to do this verification this know your client verification, because after some time, as they said, they are going to limit the transactions if you don't have your identity verified. If you are not involved in funny business, let's say if you don't use Binance for activities which are not appreciated by the government, then I do recommend you to do this KYC. It's very easy. I'm going to show you where it is. So I am using the Binance application on my desktop, but it's the same on the browser as well. You need to get this green tick. Okay, so you just upload your ID or passport and a document which verifies your address, and that is all. That is the KYC. From there, there will be no limitation on your transactions, and you are safe. I have two more important news or interesting news, and one of them is Wells Fargo, who we know that it's the third biggest bank in the US. They will offer Bitcoin funds or indirect exposure to Bitcoin. It's something like JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs. Yes, the bigger clients, the wealthy clients, they want to get into Bitcoin, they want to get into crypto, but they want to do this through banks. They don't want to make all the, let's say, plus work on exchanges. They want the bank to hold their crypto. Therefore, Wells Fargo is also forced to offer crypto funds, which is obviously very good, because this way they are gonna become holders. American investors inclined to buy crypto with credit card, or they want to buy crypto on their savings. Now, this is obviously a good thing, but I do hope that these are not about the starter investors. These are not the people who usually buy at the peak and sell when it bottoms out, because it will just generate a lot of minus, and this is from credit card, which means that they will have to pay back 20-30% more. And that could be a weapon in the government's hand. Why they need to limit crypto to protect their people. It will simply be that people will use their credit card to buy crypto, they lose it, they can't pay it back, they will just pile up their debt to the banks on the money lost on crypto. And yeah, obviously that is not good, and that would be a weapon in the government's hand. I hope that everybody will invest carefully and will have the patience to wait out until they are profitable. Now, for the last thing, which I just promised at the beginning of the video, I found an NFT gamer token. This is a new project, and right now they are in the public sale. Now, public sale means that they are not listed on, not even on Pancake yet, and that is very important, because usually after public and private sellings, these type of tokens, they do a 5, 10, 50x easily. Now, I don't want to urge you to buy, and obviously this is not a financial advice. I just wanted to offer the opportunity, because there is only one more day until they accept investments as public selling or public investment, and you can only invest through MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Nevertheless, this is very easy. Let me show you. So if you go to the Launchpad, first you have to whitelist your wallet. Whitelisting your wallet is very easy, especially if you want to invest less than $2,500. You just need to put here your BEP20 address, which is the Binance Smart Chain address. I have it on my MetaMask, and your email. You will get whitelisted in 3 minutes, and then you can go back and buy. The site will recognize your address. As you can see, here is my address, and you can choose how much you want to invest. You can invest from 0.5 Binance coin to 50 Binance coin. For 0.5 Binance coin, you will get 400,000 Ulti, which is the token of the Ulti Arena's Launchpad or gaming NFT. In the middle of September will be the listing on the PancakeSwap, when you will get back 10% of your investment. So 10% of your tokens will be sent to your Binance contract or Binance wallet, which is this address. It's the address from where you paid, and after another, I think 1 month, they will release 1% of your investment or of your tokens, because obviously you will get Ulti tokens each day. So you won't get back on the first day 100% of your coins. They will only give you back 10% of your coins, but usually there is an easy 10x on these type, and right now we are in an NFT hype, we are in an NFT mania. Now obviously if Bitcoin crashes and goes down 50-80%, this will not worth too much, but even on the long term this is not a bad investment for my opinion, not a financial advice. This is my plan. I invested 0.5 Binance coin just to be safe. I will not put here in any of these projects a big investment. If they release 10% of my Ulti token after listing on Pancake and the project makes a 10x, I can just switch it back to BNB. I took back my capital, and from there I cannot lose. Even if this is only a 5x, I take back half of my capital, easy. Therefore, with these small tokens, usually if you don't invest your life savings in it, you only invest small amounts, you reduce the risk of losing a lot of money, obviously, but the potential is quite high. We could see on Axie Infinity, Mana. So yeah, this is the hype today. This is the coin, or this is the type of the coins which are growing and have immense gains, and I wanted to show you as well, just in case you would want to try it out and invest. So this is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button if you like the content, and see you tomorrow.